war. He has never lost any battle. He said to Moses, Moses, I have made you a God unto Pharaoh. I have made you a God unto Pharaoh. Because I am part of that battle, you can never lose it. As long as I am part of that battle, victory is guaranteed.
Yes, sir.
As long as I am part of that battle, oh my God, within the next shortest days, you will sing a song of victory. Within the next shortest days, my God, my God, my God, my God, within the next shortest days,
Chine